Good evening, sir. My name is Obobi Samuel Benson, entrepreneurship MBA in University of Cape Coast School of Business. Yes, I am talking about small enterprise development with my subject area being assessment of national and then international small enterprise development organizations and their activities, a case study of Ghana. So basically, we are going to look at how international and national small enterprises help in the development of small enterprises in Ghana. Though we are taking the global perspective, but our case study is geared towards what happened in Ghana. So we'll basically look or briefly look at the overview, which is giving us an insight on how or what the contributions of small enterprises are in our part of the world and then globally. So in Ghana, we say our small enterprises sector employs more than 80% of the workforce and accounts for roughly 70% of the national output. Small enterprises are an integral part of the Ghanaian economy and they have enormous potential for accelerating growth development, which is necessary for wealth creation and poverty reduction. So, in a nutshell, we say small enterprises are a key and then strong backbone of every country or our country to be specific. Because when you look at the story of America, it takes about 90 to 99% of its economy. That is, most of the economy or the economy of America depends mostly on small enterprises, that is, self made or private sector businesses. Yeah, so we'll ask how that this concept came by. It started probably around the 1955, whereas an organization was set up called the International Council for Small Businesses. This organization works to advance entrepreneurship worldwide by developing research skills, offering opportunities for career development advancement, and organizing live events and initiating partnership with community groups. So this was the genesis, or this has been the genesis of the attention for small businesses. So this organization is one of the early uh, organizations that helped in the development of small enterprises since they saw it to be a very strong backbone of our economies or the global economy. So within our case study, we'll be looking at some of the development agencies who are also contributing to the growth of Ghana's economy as part of concentrating on this subject area. So some other international organizations include the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, that is UNIDO, Department of Business Development, which is from South Africa, Comfort, World Bank, GIZ, etc. These agencies have supported Ghana in multiple sectors and then in diverse ways as well. So let's briefly look at some of the contributions of UNIDO. UNIDO has been one major organization which has been supporting small industry or smaller industries to promote industrial development to create more job opportunities in developing countries, especially Africa, to prevent specifically illegal migration, poverty, hunger, also enhance global development. So within our framework of work as Ghana, we'll look at some of the sectors UNIDO has uh, worked or supported strongly. UNIDO, with funding from the State Secretariat for Economic Affairs, that is SECO, has deployed several important initiatives to assist Ghana in selecting agro-based sectors. This intervention has identified Ghana's main know-how challenges, Some of the challenges include developing and implementing standards to assure the quality and safety of agricultural products. So you could see Ghana has a challenge when it comes to the global trust. So UNIDO has been able to come out with initiatives to support and then build trust on the international market with regards to Ghanaian products within the agricultural sector. Also build laboratory tests, testing for capacity these products to ensure they meet international requirements, and also a product traceability system that provide market confidence in particular for export buyers. So out of this initiative, they were able to achieve few results, and it has really helped grow the Ghanaian uh, agro market. As a result of this intervention, local producers now have standards that govern both the quality and safety of these agricultural products. After this intervention, they receive reliable certification uh, of products according to the best standard or international practice. This initiative has also helped in assuring food safety as a key priority of organization, and this support has been in existence over the past 20 years. Outside UNIDO, German Development Corporation has also been a key supporter of Ghana in terms of the help to develop small industries or small enterprises. So GIZ has been supporting small businesses in Ghana and have also benefited from, small enterprises in Ghana have also benefited from the German Development Corporation as an international development partner for the past 30 years within diverse sectors of the Ghanaian economy. So the GIZ has been helping in the training and the income generation opportunities for small businesses in Ghana. Yes. The aim is also to promote private sector and digitalization within our country. GIZ aims to achieve this by supporting businesses, tech startups, and disadvantaged individuals with advisory services, financial instruments, and support short term and long term training. And this has been very phenomenal in our country as part of small industry growth and development. These two international agencies have been our case study for this subject matter. Within our local front, that is Ghana, there has been two major sectors that has also supported uh, small enterprise within our country. We're looking at the Ministry of Trade and Industry and then Ministry of Business Development. These sectors or ministries have also supported in coming up with programs and initiatives to support these small businesses, being it individuals and then being it small businesses. Yeah. So the Ministry of Trade and Industry has this agency, which is the Ghana Enterprise Agency, as one of the oldest agencies that has been supporting small businesses. So, giving a brief about the Ghana Enterprise Agency, Ghana Enterprise Agency, formerly known as the National Board for Small Scale Industries, that is NBSSI, is a government agency under the Ministry of Trade and Industry. It is mandated by the Ghana Enterprise Agency Act 2020, Act 1043, to promote development of small businesses in Ghana. The NBSSI was replaced by Ghana Enterprise Agency in November 2020. Its aim is to interrelate, administer, and stimulate the development of micro, small, and medium enterprise agencies or enterprises. The NBSSI, now GA, has been able to contribute a lot to the development of small businesses in the country. It has been able to train about 65,000 youth through innovation hubs and apprenticeship programs. GA has also provided business acceleration services to about 254 SMEs through KZN and other development agencies like the World Bank, GIZ, Mastercard Foundation, and it likes. The agency has been able to establish over 13,000 new businesses to support economic growth and employment creation. Yes, as part of this initiative, the Ministry of Business Development has also been able to develop or design a program under the National Entrepreneurship Innovation Program, which has also come up with the presidential pitching, the business plan competition, and other women empowerment initiatives. As part of its achievement, this program has been able to uh, help about 7,000 entrepreneurs who applied to be trained as part of the business development across the 10 regions or across 10 regions of the country. One, 1,350 successful entrepreneurs who presented innovative and backable business plans were selected for financial support ranging from 10,000 Ghana cedis to 100,000 Ghana cedis. So within its operations, it has been able to make development and then more impact within the women's empowerment initiatives. So in conclusion, we say these agencies have also helped a lot in the development of small enterprises with regards to policy formulation, um, reduction of unemployment, promoting diplomacy, and then implementation of SDG of the United Nations. So the development organizations have been able to design policies to regulate the activities of the donor beneficiaries. Intervention programs by these organizations have helped in the reduction of unemployment rates in our part of the country or other parts of the world. With reference to the activities of these organizations, countries have been able to build trust in participating nationals, which have enhanced bilateral relations among member countries. Activities of these organizations have also been able to satisfy the objectives of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially the reduction of poverty and hunger. So, with regards to this initiative, the, there are few recommendations I made per this subject matter. I was actually looking at how this project or this organizations can help in sustainability of its uh, operations in the country. Yes, so I was looking at one, governments must help in building trust between the development agencies and these SMEs in our local front. And also, government must also encourage uh, government must encourage entrepreneurship in our part of the world so it can also multiply to build that uh, strong backbone for the country's economy. On the other side, I'll say the small enterprises also have to be very loyal to its development partners or agencies. So that trust of support can be coming on and often. I think we should also adhere to the policies that have come up, especially when you look at what UNIDO was able to develop for the country Ghana within the agricultural sector. Yes. So, in brief, I would say these organizations have really helped in developing uh, countries or a small developing. I would say these organizations have also helped in the development of the developing countries' economy because looking at the support and then if you quantify how these small businesses are contributing to the development of the nation,